Alright, so last week in my Dad Day Pack video, I mentioned how much I like these Equate first aid kits for a boo-boo kit. So picked up a brand new one today. As of the time of filming, these are $6.98. So let's go ahead and jump into it and see what they are and then how I use them in these Tuff Possum pouches. So we have got, open the lid. Inside you've got your item count. We've got constant cold compress, small roll of tape. You've got 6 alcohol prep pads, butterfly enclosures. You've got 4 packs of antiseptic wipes, 2 packs of antibiotic ointment, a whole slew of assorted bandages. This is total an 85-piece kit. You got 2 sterile gauze pads. You've got 1 sterile non-adhesive pad, a large sterile gauze pad, gloves, first aid guide, some Q-tips, and then some wooden medical tonsil sticks, splints, whatever you want to call them. So, I don't really like the hard case. It just doesn't pack as well in a bag. I don't like hard things in packs, so we're going to go ahead and set it up in the Tuff Possum medical pouch. Now, in here, I do already have a compact trauma dressing from NAR. Got my hyphen chest seals and some Celox gauze right there. So, we're going to go ahead and take the bigger pads, the gauze pads, and we're going to stick those right in there with the Celox in the back pocket, because it's not going to be something you use too frequently, hopefully. I've already got my small other roll of athletic tape too. See, in this front pocket we're going to put the cold compress, just because it does kind of take up the most room by itself, and so it doesn't stand as much of a chance of getting busted open. Put our gloves in there. I'll go ahead and slide the Q-tips back here with the gauze stuff. There we go. We'll just stick these. I think they'll lay just about perfect in the bottom of the bag. Yep. We tuck them right down in the bottom of the bag there. I don't really like that because they're going to rub, so let's see. How else can we put them in there? I think they'll just lay in there like that, loose, and be fine. Alright, pack that stuff in there. We'll slide our antibiotic wipes and stuff here in this front slip pocket so it's easy to see and get to. And then we'll put our butterfly enclosures back here with the gauze. That's a little bit more specialty. We don't want them getting mixed in with the rest of our bandages. Keep them easy to find. The antibiotic ointment we'll put in with the bandages. Now for the bandages, I've got this Tuff Possum pouch, pocket tool pouch. I like to just stick the bandages in there. And you may have to, you know, open them up a little bit or fold them a little bit to get them in there. I just like to keep them in there, that way you can tell somebody, you know, hey, grab that little orange pouch out, we can sort them out. And you don't necessarily have to keep all these bandages in there either. They come with quite a few bandages. I always restock them, but there's a couple of bigger bandages as well there. We'll stick those back there with the gauze. So the back pocket's more of our large scale stuff, I guess you'd say. Normal bandages will go in there. Some smaller ones, let's see, are these the same as these? Nope, these are the same as these. So we've got some of those. So we're not going to put all of those in there just because it is a lot. We'll put 1 sleeve of these in there, some of the smaller ones, and then we'll stick these off to the side for use later. We'll put those down in here, that way they're easier to find. Stick the antibiotic ointment in here. And just for convenience, we'll go ahead and stick an antiseptic wipe 2-pack in there as well. So now we've got that in there. We'll slide this right down inside. We'll stick our tape in case we need that. And then for good measure as well, throw some allergy medicine in here. We'll stick this in the boo-boo pouch as well for now. Or the Band-Aid pouch, just so easy to keep up with. Some Benadryl, some Claritin, because Kentucky allergies are relentless. You never know when you're gonna need them. Probably will also throw some travel ibuprofen and Tylenol packs in there. And then, now I like to tuck one side of the zipper pull inside. That way when you go to grab it, you just have one to grab. You don't grab both and run all the way around. But there's that. Yes, I know that takes up more room than the hard pack. There's also way more in here. So set that off to the side. Now onto the slim belt pouch from Tuff Possum. I set this up. I've been carrying it small back for since April, so 3 months now, 2 months. It's worked great as a small EDC kit, but I'd like your all suggestions on how to organize it a little bit better. So I've got a couple gauze pads in there. I'm not really going to keep them because they just fall apart. But I've got some alcohol prep pads, some Hard & Hills propolis, and then just some regular Band-Aids. I've tried, as you can see, and I keep some allergy medicine in there. I've tried putting Band-Aids on it so that you can just kind of pull out a pack of Band-Aids. It's not really worked. They've all come off. But this has worked out and been extremely handy since I've started carrying it for myself, other people at work, out with the kids. It's just been very handy to have this. So if y'all got any ideas on how to better organize this, I've thought about cutting some little pieces of Kydex and put in there with rubber bands to keep this stuff together. I haven't fully decided something, but if y'all got a better way to do that, that'd be great. Because right now I just kind of pinch and pull it all out together and then it wants to fall. But there's that, guys. So Daddy Daypack Med Pouch from Tuff Possum, I got it from Tuff Possum, and then my EDC belt pouch. So there you guys go. Keep your knives charged, your lights sharp. Y'all have a good one.